welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing another VoxBox, and it is from Influenster, obviously, Influenster VoxBox. And this time I don't know what it is because it doesn't have any stickers or anything, but it is a huge box. This is like the biggest box that I've ever received from Influenster. So I'm super excited and I can't wait to see what's in here. And yeah, this is the box. As you can see, it is pretty big. I'm excited. The campaign for this hasn't showed up on the app yet. But anyways, let's open it up and see what it is. I have my blade right here. Ta-da! Oh, I see nothing. What is it? Ta-da! Okay, I can't see what it is. Oh crap. What the heck is this? So it comes with a card. Okay. I think they sent me shoes, you guys. So on one side it tells me how to review this item, and on the other side it tells me Naturalizer. There's a reason we are loved for our comfort. We've done things differently since day one. A shoe designed to the contours of a woman's foot didn't exist, so we created it. Obsessing over fit and comfort, never compromising style. Oh, cool. I'm excited. So anyways, this is what the card looks like, and this is the brand. I think that's how you pronounce it. Naturalizer? Naturalizer. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what shoes I got. So anyways, here's the box right here. It's like leather or something. Did you guys get this box too? Let me know in the comments below. So look at this, you guys. So I got the Dara Golden Maple shoes, and they're like little boots. So I'm excited. This is the first time I get shoes from Influenster, and I've received clothes from them before, from like Victoria's Secret, but I've never received shoes, so I'm super excited. They sent me some boots and they're super cute. Hopefully they fit me. Look at these, you guys. I'm excited. They kind of look big, but it says 7.5 on the box. Okay, these are it right here, you guys. Super cute. And I love the color. I wanted some boots this color. It's like camel or something. I don't know. Damn, smells really good. These boots are super cute. I love the heel. I love that it's not super high and they look comfortable. I love that it has a zipper right here. Very handy. That way I don't have to tie my shoelaces all the time. So that's nice. I can't believe I got shoes, you guys. Okay, it has a little plastic thing inside of the shoe. This is what the bottom looks like. And these are water repellent. Premium materials help keep feet dry. Breathable, well ventilated lining for natural comfort. I love how these boots look. Super duper cute. These are going to look super cute with black skinny jeans or even blue skinny jeans. And I'm going to try them on. But I have sweatpants, so don't judge me. I'm not gonna show you like my whole outfit because it's not gonna match. Hopefully they fit. I am a 7.5, but sometimes I'm a size 8, like in Converse and stuff. Like I'm 7, 7.5, and 8. It depends on the shoe. My boyfriend's going to be disappointed because he thought he was gonna get some shoes from Influenster. Oh, I really like this, you guys. Like how the shoelaces tie up right there. I really like that. Please fit me. So here's my chair. Here's my socks. I have Super Mario socks and I have sweatpants because I'm cold. Please fit. Please fit. Okay, so it looks like they fit. They look super attractive with these sweatpants and these boots. Okay. Can you guys see that? They fit me really good. I mean, and they're kind of loose, I think, actually. I don't know. Here, how do parents put their fingers in here? Okay, these actually fit pretty good. And there's a little bit of room on my toes. So if I wear like thicker socks, it's going to be comfortable still. So that's nice. Okay, so you guys are on the ground. Hopefully you guys could see the shoe. Super sexy with my sweatpants and my Super Mario socks. But anyways, that's what it looks like. So anyways, what you guys think? I obviously need to dress it up with some cute clothes and it will look better, and I'll show you guys in a different video. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments below. Super happy that I got these beautiful boots. I love the color and the material is super soft. This is what it looks like from the top. So there's like a little bit of wiggle room right here, but I just need to tie the shoelaces and it'll look better. But they feel comfortable. I like them. They look super cute. I can't wait to wear them out. Okay, so you guys already saw what my boot looks like. Obviously, they sent me two. And yeah. Anyways, I'm super happy that they sent me shoes. I've never received shoes and these look really nice. Here, I'm going to look up these boots on the internet and see. Okay, so I looked them up and these shoes are $179, you guys. $179. Okay, so the website says, from our weather ready and light series collection, so much comfort in one silhouette. An ultra lightweight hiker inspired bootie features water repellent materials, lace up styling, and durable lug sole for any and all adventures. Get there beautifully. Comfy and lightweight, water repellent bootie with lace up styling. Best for light rain, everyday style and ease. Water repellent leather, suede or suede canvas upper with an almond toe and stitch details. Extra hooks at ankle for even more security. Side zip closure and back pull tab. Oh, I didn't even notice that. I still have it on. See? Let me take it off. So it does have this little thing right here. The little tab. Contour plus technology for a premium fit and all-day comfort experience. Breathable fabric lining for added warmth and comfort. Let me show you guys what the boot looks like inside if you guys want to see. It says leather upper balance man-made, made in Vietnam. Thermal sock liner for advanced heat retention. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice because my feet get really cold. These are going to be my everyday boots. Lug sole, flexible lightweight EVA outsole, rubber traction outsole for slip resistance. That's good because I'm always slipping when I go out. It's embarrassing. 2 1/4 inch heel. Consciously packed. 100% of our shoe boxes are made of 80% recycled paper and soy-based ink, so that's good. The shoe with a beautiful fit since 1927. They have different colors on this boot. They have black and they have black leather and they have black canvas suede. And well, the one that I have is golden maple suede. Anyways, thank you so much to Influenster and Naturalizer for sending me these boots. I really appreciate it and I'm super excited. Anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.